kum som li le panga vel Mizoram an oma soidani kan pian ma dei lawom to ni chu chuan tuna hian kum som sari arin lut ve to dona an kalsam Joseph tuna hian Mizoram chu san don to ni Mizoram tan chan na takani don le mai. Let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father, to Jesus the Son, and give Him the glory, great things He has done. The lions may grow weak and hungry, but those who seek the Lord.
I just would like to also mention that my family has been complete support in everything I did, especially if it is for gospel work or anything to do with God's work. My wife is very supportive, see, anytime, and even providing anything, food or anything, whatever it is, she was very supportive. And my daughter is also so supportive, and all of us in that way. God has really blessed our family through this EGF also, we can say. And one thing is, I'm really, every time EGF meets, always they used to pray for Lavi. So that was one thing I appreciate with EGF. Now we are going. We have no plans as such. Even going there, we were together here for. After I got married, Nimi and Lavi was born in '86. Nimi, I got married in '85. So since then, they were also here, right here. But then I was a little upset that they could not go out. But then they were happily staying at home, encouraging me to do God's work, my work in that time in my profession. So I'm thankful to my family, wife and my daughter. So now we are going to Chennai, but we do not know what is there for us. In what way we will be glorifying God, we do not know. But we are sure that God has a purpose, and I think God's purpose here for our family is fulfilled, and we are going as a person fully fulfilled life actually in our profession as well as in the ministry. Even in the church, we feel that same thing. In our church also, people were saying that if Sam goes, what will happen? But then it's not so. God's work will go on. God's work will never depend on any one person. I know for sure, if Sam is not there, somebody else will take the place and do it. So that's what I thank God for all the things He has done for our life. Thank you.
But in the city where there's no sunshine, I wanna go on that silver line. I've got a mansion just over the hilltop in that bright land where we'll never grow old. Someday yonder, we'll never more wander among the streets that are pure as gold. Open tempted, tormented and tested, and life in search of the city. I want a mansion, a hundred crown. I've got a mansion just over the hilltop in that bright land where we'll never grow old. And someday yonder we'll nevermore wander and walk the streets that are pure as gold.
Oh hey, farewell dinner kan nei meka an ko sam Joseph hi tui ko ta oma ani hi Mizorama kan chen lower lar tang nei Mizorama chosan hun thengdona hey ni som ni pathum December en chok to mai to ni evangelical graduate ministry ten kan tha program te kan mang zawa lunglen tha ka lung chiat that khom mai nen chok kan nei don me kan ni chua ei kan hing tang khom mai a hriam po kan ti boka an ni ang kan nei hi thian ta ni man mi hlang man of action ti tak tak te ni an kal sam chef ni a mingi kan she fo me kan ha
Good, you could come.
kan ni chen don ta chu nia yan ke te pon oma brother ne pot te pon oma brother Peter chu izai chawem yeah
Very tall, yeah.
but yeah you sing nicely yeah lamam ne mai zai hun kan nei the hi yan kan khangai don ani kum som li le panga vel Mizorama an oma soidani kan pian ma dei alawam to ni chu chuan tuna hian kum som sari arin lut ve to dona an kal sam Joseph hi tuna hian Mizorama chu san don to ni Mizorama tan chan na ta kan don le mai poni sela chen hun te lo oma pathian ram ro ta kan nom zelanga an chong try tu zel don ani kun so kan mek dona du to photila ani phot le sama khana kan lo zo don ta lung len thak lo le kan chen hei thei lo ni he chen kan ho to ho po kan chak lo le mai he na ma po Philip den ho mek ka brother ma ka te kan ho don na brother Peter te he jam mai te kan ho dar don na ta ni thei ta si lo wa tui ko ta nga lung len thak le mai he moi to le mai hen che na building ko vai venga building a hian an kan sam te an tha don ta Mizoram bye don ta lung len thak le mai na hian ka dan me ka ni nam takin kan in khom le vek don nia moi le mai brother ma ka te pa po le mang chào le ya ba yes mang chào tết bù le